Hello knitting friends, and welcome back to Knit the Stitch. Today I'm knitting these rows of eyelets in this simple design for you. This is the front of the work and this is how it looks on the back. This easy pattern is created by using your basic knit and purl stitches with yarn overs and knit two togethers to make these classic rows and a stocking stitch background, and it adds an elegant design without being fussy. This is one repeat from here to here, so the repeat is from here to here. One set of eyelets is one repeat. It's knit over multiples of 2 stitches, just 2 stitches, plus 1 extra stitch. And I've gone ahead and cast on here. I have 6 times 2, which is 12, and an extra stitch, making 13 stitches. So if you're ready, grab your needles and some yarn, and we'll get started with row 1. Row 1 is a knit row. Row 1, 2 and 3 are all knit rows. I'll simply knit these first 3 rows, and as always I'll put the stitch pattern details down in the description box below for you, so take a look at that. Please subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the videos and so other viewers can access this content. Row 2, sometimes the easiest stitches can create the most lovely and usable designs. I think that's the case with this one. So that was row 2 wrong side, turning the work for row 3. Row 3 with the right side facing is our 3rd knit row. So these 3 knit rows create the garter ridge, and there's a garter ridge each side of the eyelet row. Turning the work to start row 4. Row 4 is our pattern repeat row. So purl 2 together, yarn over, take the yarn over the needle, wrap it round and bring it to the front. Purl 2 together, purl 2 together, purl 2 together, yarn over, purl 2 together, yarn over, purl 2 together, and purl the last stitch. And repeat appears between the asterisks in the written pattern. And rows 5, 6 and 7 are another set of knit rows to create the next set of garter ridges above the eyelet holes. So I'll go ahead and knit these. That was 5, turning the work for row 6. Row 7, So coming to the end of row 7 and turning the work to start row 8. So row 8 is a purl row, so purl all the stitches on row 8. Now we have row 9, and row 9 is another knit row. Coming towards the end of row 9, turning the work to start my final row, row 10, which is another purl row. And that completes the set of 10 rows in the pattern repeat. And that's all there is to this eyelet row rib pattern. I hope this was useful for you. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, have fun knitting all your stitches.